Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be trying out Color Crave, and this is by Clairol. I received it in my Walmart subscription box, and they sent me the color in Shimmering Rose Gold. Now, I have never had the desire to have rose gold hair, but I do like these temporary non-committal type of products. You can wash it out, have fun, and yeah, hopefully your hair ain't ruined in the process. So that is what we are going to be trying. First time I'm ever doing it like this, where I'm actually going to demo the product. I normally do it and then I just get on and, hi, this is a great product, but it's always interesting. I prefer the videos where we actually see it, so hopefully this will turn out good. All right, so this is what we're working with as far as hair, and I'm looking into a very tiny little camera monitor. It's not even a monitor, it's a little flip-up screen on the Sony A5. What are you? I don't know. My chair just feels like it's breaking. All right, so the product says that you shake this. Now in the box, it came with no directions. Literally, this product was in there, the end. So it says shake. It sounds very liquidy. And this is probably not gonna look so great on my hair, I don't know. But they have purple, blue, bronze, pink, and like a reddish color. So it says it has a sponge tip applicator, which yes it does. Looks kind of like a highlighter that I've tried. This is what we're working with here, kind of. Alright, that looks scary. Okay, so we, like I said, the directions say to shake tube before use, squeeze until tube has the color appears on the sponge applicator. Swipe onto dry hair strands and heat with the blow dryer to lock in the color. I want to shake it some more. Sounds very liquidy. My dog's looking at me like I'm crazy, but that's nothing new. Okay, so basically, I'm just gonna do a strand. I don't really know rhyme or reason. This is a little harder than I thought it was gonna be. Now, I have read the directions on this. Okay. So I'm just going to, I wonder if it's because my hair is already pretty dark. I wish I had sent a different color. Okay. I don't see anything making a difference. You know what? Let me get to a mirror and try to put some on, and I will come back for the blow drying process, okay? So we can really check this product out. Okay, so I went and put on a super generous amount, and one of the things that it said on here, washes out with shampoo for dark to light hair. So basically this should be showing up something in my hair. So I really don't see anything. So I decided I'm gonna squeeze, you know, a good amount of the actual product onto these gloves. So let's see if we can't get this to show up somehow. All right, and then just to give this product a fair AF review, I'm gonna shake. Make sure it's super shaked. I'm not seeing anything. I mean, I'm probably never tried. Just go to my forehead. You know, like what? I've never dyed my hair rose gold, so I really have nothing to measure that against. But this is what it just, I don't know. Okay. Let me try putting some heat on it. Definitely nothing here. Does it look amazing? Can't see. Clark, does it look good? Can we see anything? Let me go check. I have... Yeah. Okay. This is going to go ahead and be a fail for me. I did really try. It looks like I took some highlighter, some liquid highlighter, and went like this. I mean, I don't know what that's about. You know, you could see some like shimmer, some sparkle. But, I mean, come on. If I'm gonna go buying some, I don't know how much it is, but I'll put it on the screen so we know. Maybe I'm not squeezing it hard enough. Let's just make sure I have given this my all. I'm squeezing as hard as I can. Okay, better application, but I guess maybe this could be a multiple use situation. Let's just rub that in like that. Alright, let's try this again with the blow dryer. It doesn't even say how long. Oh, you get 5 or more uses from the tube. Protect clothing surfaces. It says that you can combine different colors. I'm thinking, I already have pretty dark hair. This was probably not the best hair color for me. So I don't want to say this isn't a good product. It's just if you have dark hair, this is literally just going to do the shimmer. But do you see the girl there? She has kind of lighter hair. And it still really didn't, I mean, I don't think it's like, whoa, you know. But I bet like the red or the purple, I don't know. I did a review on another one of these temporary hair colors. I'll link it down below because that one actually works really good. Kind of too good because it's pretty hard to get out. But this, I mean, it's just going straight in the trash. I just don't want it. I'm already a hoarder of products. Just kind of smells very lightly of like a marker, but yeah, washes out with shampoo. I mean, guess we'd have to do something first for me to need to wash it out. But the nice part of it, it's not an overbearing stench or anything. It's just didn't work for me. The good thing is, though, I did not pay for it. Well, I paid for it, but it came in my box, so I feel like, you know, it's all good. I got to try it. Shimmering Rose Gold did not work for me, but stay tuned. I just picked up, this was at Rite Aid for $10. It's called Easy Lights by Mark Anthony. And this one creates beautiful, soft, natural salon hair highlights in 2 easy steps for all hair colors. So, per this, I should have instant highlights for 10 bucks. And look at these girls. I'm getting those results. Okay. So subscribe. We're going to be doing this very, very soon. So basically it just says I'm going to put this product through my hair and then take my flat iron and boom, that processes it. So, hey, worst it can do is fry my hair, screw it up, fall off. I'm all good with it. I'll just shave it all off. So, hey, I'm willing to try anything. So, this was a dud for me in my hair color, but I would be interested if it just fell in my lap, the red color or the purple or something. I would try it again, but I wouldn't go out and buy it. So, there's that. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. And if you missed the next one, hopefully I have hair in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!